Alright guys, you are all welcome to DUYS Crypto, and today I'm going to teach you how to do your KYC step 2, which is the X verification, Twitter verification. So I'm going to restart my mining. Alright, it says KYC step 2, verify account easily by using your existing X profile. If you are not having X account or Twitter account, please kindly get one. Then go to continue. After you go to continue, please tap this portion where they say tap to copy text. Then you tap there to what? Copy. But before you go, it says verify my account on ICE blockchain with username or nickname DUYS. Alright, so this is already copied. So now we are going to the X account. When you go to the X account, let's go there. Search for ICE network. So mine is at, some people are not following ICE network, their Twitter handle, so you watch it at ICE. You will see the ICE decentralized future with this yellow Twitter verified account. Then you open it. Please, if you haven't followed them, kindly follow them. Alright, so the task says, let me read the task. The task says open and search for the underscore blockchain account. Find the pinned post, which is the first post of the profile. Alright, so when you go to their X account, this is the first post, so this is the pinned post. Alright, so what you have to do is this: go to this portion. I've already retweeted this, that's why it's green, but look at what I'm going to do. When you tap there, go to quote, don't go to repost, go to quote, pick that quote, then paste in what you copied from the ICE network app. So I'm going to tap here, or you can press and hold this button, then you can press and hold, you see your paste will come here, or you can just tap this one and it will come. So you can see that this has come. So the next thing that you have to do is go to the repost. Alright, so after you go to the repost, kindly go to your profile. You'll be seeing that you posted that on your profile. So go back, go and select your logo, go to your profile. So you can see that what you posted is here. So it's 14 seconds ago. Then you go to their they says we should share the link that we quote tweet it. So you go to copy. You copy the link, you go back to X, you come back to X, then you go to continue, then go to confirm. When you go to confirm, they will ask you to paste the link you posted. So the link that I just copied from my X account, just paste it here. That is all. Then you go to verify, then you confirm it. So you'll be seeing that it will be reading for about 2 minutes. So now my account is verified, verification complete. So this is just simple as ABC, and this is one time. You are not going to do it again. Please, if you are this is the first time that you've come across to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and also share for other people to benefit from the ICE network project. Thank you. With DUYS Crypto, it says trust crypto, then embrace the future. Thank you very much.